There is a lot of talk these days about AI replacing humans. I've got my own thoughts on that, but one thing for sure, AI is going to make life more comfortable, especially in trading. Today, I want to introduce you to our assistant, AI Bot. This bot was developed by a team of top-tier traders and programmers. AI Bot boasts an impressive win rate of 91.3%. It's super user-friendly, it guides you step by step so even beginners can handle it effortlessly. Let's get started quickly. I can't wait to dive into this exciting process. Alright guys, we're starting today with 150. Let's select our team. 3 pairs will be enough. No need for any other adjustments. We don't need indicators because we've got our miracle robot that's gonna handle everything for us. Alright everyone, less talk, more action. Let's go. Alright, the robot has already analyzed the first pair. It's telling us to go up. I totally agree since I can see that the candle is trying to break through the support level, but I doubt it will succeed. And there it is. Let's be honest, that wasn't too hard. Ever dreamt about having a stand-in to go to school for you while you stayed home playing games, hanging out with friends, and just having fun? Maybe you wished for a stand-in during exams in college. For many, this dream still sticks around even in adulthood. Imagine having someone go to work for you. Well, guess what? Now we've got the chance to offload some of our responsibilities onto AI. And training is no exception. Sure, it took a lot of effort to train it, but now this tool has drastically improved my quality of life. And it's never let me down. So if you are one of those dreamers too, head over to my Telegram channel where you can grab this bot. Click now and get it. Up next, we've got an Australian and a New Zealander. I see the candles hitting a resistance level. What does our robot suggest? Looks like it's telling me to go down. I won't argue. I'd make the same call. Let's wait and see. Well, could it have gone any other way? I don't think so either. Let's keep going. The robot says to check out the new pair. It's advising us to go down again. Well, sometimes going down in trading is a good thing. No doubt, we'll follow. Perfect. How can I not be excited? Especially seeing that numbers go up on the right side. By the way, don't forget, you can copy all my moves in your sessions. On average, I make 700 per session with my subscribers, so join in. I'm really getting into the flow now, and it seems like my bot is too. We're back to our first pair. I see that we've broken the level. We stayed near it for a while before the break, which is a great sign. What does the robot say? Oh, we're going up. Let's go for it. Guys, the most important thing when working with the bot is to pay close attention to its signals. Timing is everything here, and it's all about the seconds. You have to act fast. So before trading, make sure to ask your family not to distract you, and if you are at work, maybe let your boss know too. Slow and steady wins the race. Well, not with this bot. The analysis happens at lightning speed, so we've got to act just as fast. Think of Antonio Banderas in Desperado. His moves were so quick, you could barely keep up, let alone copy them. Well, just like that, you need to act on the bot's predictions, quickly, and you will be golden. If you want to get your hands on the bot, hit the link in the description. It's time to do it right now. Well, I don't see any reasons for a reversal here. What does the bot say? It's telling us to aim for the top, so we're going up. Nailed it! But that's always the case with the bot. Let's keep going. Okay, let's check our Canadian and Japanese pair. I see we're sitting at a resistance level and some candles with long wicks have formed, so I'm expecting a bounce down. What does the bot say? Yep, it's all lined up. We're heading down. Awesome, we're at the finish line. Just one more push and I'm sure the result will be awesome. We've already received the bot signals. So quickly. I haven't even had time to analyze. But we're not wasting time, we go down. Wow, that was quick and the result is fantastic. I couldn't be more pleased. That's all for now, my dear friends. I will just add that you will learn way more in my Telegram channel than you did in today's session. With me, people grow in their trading skills faster than you can imagine. Just check out the reviews from my subscribers. It's truly heartwarming. We're growing and we'd love for you to join our amazing team. So hit the link in the description and subscribe.